I want you to watch closely. This face looks real, right? But give it a second. Yeah, that weird eye movement, that's where it falls apart. Almost human, but not quite. And that's the problem with most AI videos. They look human, but something always feels off. It's called the uncanny valley, and it's the reason AI avatars never truly clicked. Until now. This is HeyGen, and their new Avatar 4 engine finally solves that problem. It's not about being perfect. It's about feeling natural. You'll see what I mean in a second. I've been using HeyGen for a long time, and now they're sponsoring this video, which makes me genuinely happy. Their new Avatar 4 feature is incredibly good, and I'm about to show you why. Big thank you to the HeyGen team for sponsoring this video. If you are enjoying this content, like the video and subscribe to the channel so YouTube shows you more videos like this. Here's Avatar 4 in motion. Watch the tiny details. A quick blink, a slight head tilt, even the softest smile. These micro movements are what make the whole character feel alive. The best part? Training your own digital twin is super simple. All you need is a short clip. Good lighting, natural tone, nothing fancy. Think of it like taking a casual selfie, not shooting a professional shot. Upload your clip, and HeyGen handles the rest. It studies how you move and talk to build an avatar that feels like you. Use it for tutorials, updates, or content, without recording every time. Let's try it with a realistic photo to see how natural the movement looks. First, click Create and choose Photo to Video. Upload a clean, high-quality portrait with good lighting and a simple background. In the text box, type the voiceover you want the avatar to speak. Open the voice section and pick one from the HeyGen library. You can also use your custom voices or upload your own audio file here. I'm turning on the expressive motion toggle to see how the tool performs at max. In the custom motion section, you can write your own motion prompt or use a preset. I'll test two motions for this demo. First, calm, then energetic. When everything is set, hit generate. While it processes the calm version, I'll start a second production with the energetic version. The productions are ready under a minute. I will show you the calm version first, and then the energetic version.
Hey there, I'm not real. But you couldn't tell, right? I look and sound so natural that it's easy to forget I'm just a digital creation.
Now let's see the energetic version.
Hey there, I'm not real. But you couldn't tell, right? I look and sound so natural that it's easy to forget I'm just a digital creation.
Okay, this is seriously good. It looks like a real person talking. The movement is smooth, and the emotion matches the voice perfectly. In the calm version, her mimics stay subtle and understated, yet there's still a clear, steady energy shining through her expression, and in the energetic version, that same spark becomes even more vivid, with big, expressive facial movements that make the whole moment feel even more dynamic and alive. This tool doesn't just make your character speak, it brings the whole performance to life. Let's do one more test, this time with a company mascot animation. Head back to Photo Video and upload your mascot or character. I'm adding a voiceover and choosing a voice again. After setting the motion, I'm starting the generation. Here's the result.
A new AI Garage video drops every week, and I'm pumped to roll in with quick, actionable tips to level up your AI game. See you there.
As you can see, this tool is also great at giving lip-synced voice and motion to an animated character. I could have picked a better voice. Our mascot sounds a bit older than he looks, but you get the idea of how you can use this tool. People are using this in amazing ways, like a teacher avatar running lessons, a sports avatar sharing training tips, and an influencer avatar telling her stories. Now here's the game changer, the video agent. Let's build a full video from one idea only. Go to Create, then choose Video Agent. You can select an avatar created before, create a new avatar, or leave it blank to have an automatic avatar assigned. I'll go with blank to see how the tool will match an avatar to an idea. In the prompt box, type, Create a 30-second motivational video about morning workouts. Set the duration to 30 seconds. I'm keeping the vertical format. You can also select the horizontal format here. Now, I hit Generate. The tool analyzes my input and shows what it will create in text format. And if something doesn't fit your style, you can tweak it right there. This is really good, because before spending credits, it makes sure the content is aligned with your direction. I quickly check the details and everything looks good. I approve it and it starts production. The video is generated. Let's see it.
Good morning. Imagine starting your day with incredible energy that lasts all day long. Picture the serene beauty of a new dawn, a perfect backdrop for your personal transformation. A morning workout boosts your mood, sharpens your focus, and sets an incredibly positive tone for everything you do. No more hitting snooze. Rise and conquer your goals, feeling stronger and more alive with every movement. Join the morning crew. Your best self awaits. Let's get moving and embrace the day. Start today. You've got this.
This is a very good video that could be posted on a health channel right away. Beyond the perfect avatar lip sync and motion, it also finds the ideal stock footage to match the vibe of the voiceover. For example, when the voiceover mentions mornings, it shows a morning scene. The syncing between voiceover and visuals is really well done. The editing experience is fun too. If you click Edit, you'll see all scenes with their voiceovers. You can select any text and change it. From the top menu, you can also adjust the voiceover, music, and caption style. For example, I'm changing the caption style and regenerating. As you can see, the captions update instantly. All right, let's do something fun. I told Video Agent to make a 30-second hook for a young fashion influencer. And this is what it created from one prompt.
Hello, I'm excited to share today's look. This outfit is a game changer. Look at this ensemble. It's chic and comfortable, designed to make you feel amazing. The fabric is luxurious, and these details are stunning. Every stitch shows quality. For brunch or a night out, this versatile look has you covered. Effortless style. Like this video and follow for more fashion inspiration. You won't want to miss what's next.
This feels like a real influencer. The pacing, the B-roll stock videos, even the avatar's attitude, all generated automatically. And for example, by simply swapping the stock shots here and there, you can instantly turn this into a ready-to-post video for your own fashion channel. And by the way, you don't have to use the automatically assigned avatar like I did here. You can train your digital twin and have the hook performed by you, or build a custom avatar with your own inputs, style, and vibe, so your content can look exactly how you want it. Other than creation, this tool is also great for giving you ideas. Here we only wrote a few words, and it created the entire script, scenes, and even the music selection. This can 10 times your production speed, if not more. If you've been thinking about using AI to speed up your content creation, HeyGen is honestly one of the biggest jumps I've seen. Digital twins, photo animations, full video generation. It really feels like a new era for solo creators. How did you find it? Drop your thoughts about the tool in the comments. I seriously enjoy chatting about AI, so I'll be hanging out down there. And if you like this breakdown, hit like and subscribe for more creator tools and smart workflows. See you in the next one.